Okay, so now we're looking at linear equations rearranging formulas. Sometimes we want to rearrange a formula if we want to have, we might have a formula like this one here, where y is by itself, but we might want one of the other unknowns by itself. We might want the a by itself, or the x, or the b. Okay, in this case, we are going to make x the subject. In other words, we're going to get x by itself. Now we apply the same process that we've always applied to solving linear equations, and that is whatever we want to remove from one side, we do its inverse, and we do that to both sides. So in this first case, I've just rewritten the formula there. The first thing we will do to both sides is to subtract b. Okay, so we're going to subtract b from both sides. Okay, now on this left-hand side we have y minus b, and on the right-hand side we now just have ax, because those two b's eliminated each other. Okay, now we're trying to get the x by itself, so we will divide both sides by a. Okay, and we'll do that straight onto here. Divide by a, divide by a. These two a's cancel each other out, and what we're left with is y minus b over a equals x, and we have now made x the subject. Okay, now for question 2 types, it doesn't matter if there's not an x there, it's whatever. In these questions, they designate which unknown to get by itself. There's only 2 here in this case, so we're trying to get the c by itself. Okay, that's not part of the formula. Okay, and this is, if you don't recognise this, this is the formula for converting Celsius, temperature Celsius, into Fahrenheit. We're going to do it the other way around. We're going to arrange it so you could convert Fahrenheit into Celsius. Okay, so now we apply the same process. What are we going to do to both sides? The first thing we will do is to subtract that 32. Okay, so we'll rewrite the whole thing. Oops, I haven't left myself much room there. Okay, we'll go, I'll just have to squeeze that in, it's a bit naughty. Minus 32, okay. They eliminate each other. So we have Fahrenheit, or F, minus 32 equals 9C, 9 Celsius over 5. Okay, this time we are going to multiply both sides by 5. Again, I'll rewrite the formula. I'll do it straight up. Oh no, I'll do it here. So I'm going to times by 5 by this side by putting a bracket around there and putting a 5 here. Okay, and then we've got times 5 here. They eliminate, and we have, well, they cancel out. 5 f minus 32 equals 9c. And the last step is to divide both sides by 9. Okay, I'll do that straight onto here. Divide by 9. Divide by 9. They cancel each other out, and we can see that the formula, I'll write it this way, the formula to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius is, whoops, let me just go backwards there, is 5 times Fahrenheit minus 32, all divided by 9. Okay, now what I would like you to do is to work on exercise 4.6, complete questions 1, L-shaped, that's like the example we had up here, and question 2, L-shaped, is like these examples here. For extension work, please attempt questions 3 to 6. Thank you.